Hi, we learned a little bit about shape poems from the Community Word Project folks. Do you remember? Today we're going to think about shape poems again. What is shape poetry? Shape poetry is poetry whose shape on the page matches the topic of the poem. The words are written on the page so they follow the shape of the thing the poem is about. A shape poem tells about the topic in words, and its shape tells about the topic too. Here's an example about a snowman. It's cold outside. I don't want to go outdoors and play, but Mom says I have to anyway. It's starting to snow and I'm going to really freeze. I hate playing outside on days like these. But wait a second. I have had the most amazing, brilliant idea. I'll cover myself up with snow and I'll hide in there. Do you see how the subject of the poem matches the shape? This looks like the head and the body. This is how to do it. Choose a thing to be the subject for your poem. Write your poem normally on scrap paper. Try to describe how the subject makes you feel. You'll fit the words into your drawing soon, so don't make the poem too long. 6 to 12 lines is probably a good length. And note, it doesn't have to rhyme. Now, lightly draw the outline of your object with pencil on another piece of paper. Lightly in pencil, write your poem into the shape. It's okay if it doesn't fit properly yet, because this is where you find out if you need to make the letters larger or smaller. If you need to make your letters fit better, you can erase and redo the writing until you're happy with how it looks. Finally, erase the outline of your shape so it's just the words from your poem left. Do you see the image? Cool. In the snowman poem, the poet decided to add brrr afterwards to look like snowman arms. If you want to, you can add another visual element to your poem too. Here, this part and this part was added after the snowman was created. Now it's your turn. Give it a try. The teachers can't wait to see what you decide to write and draw about. Remember to ask your grown-up to snap a picture and send it to us with Class Dojo.